Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all to the summer task, class 5th. Now our very first topic is noun and its kinds. Now you have come across till class 4th and you must have read about noun, and each of you is aware of it and you know very well that what is noun. Whenever I ask the student, all of them are shouting and screaming that noun is a naming word. Naming word means that in this entire world, everything has a name. If a thing has a name, it is called noun. That can be a person, that can be a place, it can be anyone, and it can be thing. So for person we can say Ali and Sara. For place we can say Lahore and Karachi. For animal we can say lion, cat, dog. And for things we can say book, stick, glass, jug, etc. Now these nouns are further classified. They are then in different kinds. The very first we'll discuss is common noun. Now what is common noun? The things which we see around us are all common. And remember one thing, that whenever you write common noun, you write them with small letters. Book, boy, table. We are talking of common noun things in general. It can be any book, it can be any boy, and it can be any table. So it becomes common noun. Now the difference between the common and proper is that when something becomes special, over here we are talking about general things, but when it comes to proper noun, it becomes special. There are many people, but Qaid-e-Azam among them is a famous personality and he is known all over the world. So the student has to keep in mind that whenever you write proper noun, you will write it with the capital letters. So Qaid-e-Azam and Holy Quran, because this is not an ordinary book, it's a very special book for Muslim, for all people, for all over the world. So whenever we mention something special, then we'll write them with the capital letter. The third is concrete. Now we need to understand what is the difference between concrete and abstract. Concrete is something which we can touch. The things which we can touch are called concrete noun. Example, we can touch a tree, we can touch a car, and we can touch a notebook. On the other hand, abstract is something which we cannot touch, but we can feel it. The example is beauty, bravery, ideas. These things cannot be touched, they can only be feel. The other one is singular noun and plural noun. There are things which are singular, is one. One is singular, it can be one glass, it can be one person, it can be animal or thing. But plural is more than one. Anything more than one becomes plural noun. Number 6 we have countable and uncountable. You can understand by its name. Countable is the things which we can count, and uncountable are the things which we cannot. Uncountable nouns can also be connected with abstract noun as well. Countable noun is if you say that there are 6 birds or you have 2 pencils, you can count them. But uncountable noun is that if you say that the student is very intelligent, we cannot measure his or her intelligence. If you say this person is lazy, laziness cannot be counted. Then we have honesty. So there is no measurement for it. Countable things can be counted with the numbers, but uncountable things cannot. They can only be felt as abstract noun. Number 7 is collective noun. Now remember students, there are certain things which are in groups, which are combined together. If you people are sitting in a classroom, a group of 35 students make a classroom. If you look at a cricket team, why is it called team? Because there are 12 players in it. So that is collective noun. The examples are a litter of puppies, a colony of ants, a range of mountains, etc. Then we have material noun. Now, material noun is something that we will say that what is the object made of, what is the material. So, if you say that I bought a silk suit or a cotton suit for myself, you are actually telling us what is the material made of. If it is silk suit, it means the suit is made up of silk. If you say the furniture, wood furniture, so you are telling us the material, that the furniture is made up of wood. Or you can say plastic container, so the things are present over there in the plastic container. So silk, wood and plastic is telling us that it's a material noun. The last one is gender. You must have noticed whenever you get, if you go to the doctor, if you are making a Google account, if you are making a Facebook account, whatever, they ask your gender. Gender means whether you are a male or a female. So gender noun shows masculine and feminine. These are applied for persons and animals. I hope you all understood what are the noun and its kinds. Thank you.